Alright, hey everybody, we got an awesome dash cam video today. We're gonna start this footage off right by pointing out what's wrong with this picture. Can you see what's wrong with the car? Let's zoom in. Oh, he's got a flat tire. That sucks, right? And he's gonna keep driving it. Oh no. How about some dad advice? I'll give you some dad advice. You ready for this? If you get a flat, immediately pull your car over and stop moving it wherever you're at. It doesn't matter. Don't try to drive somewhere. You're just going to damage your rim. You're just going to damage your car. And he's going along. But wait, there's more. Watch this. You won't see this coming. Whoa, what was that? What is that? Let's take a closer look. There it goes. Oh man, he's running just straight rim. And he's gonna keep driving it. And he's gonna keep driving it to the nearest parking lot. You should have pulled that over. You just did so much damage. I'm gonna check my camera, make sure it's rolling. It is. Look, and then he pulls in to wait for a tow truck. So my moral of this story is, when you get to this point right here, you know where he should have stopped driving? Right here. This is where he should have stopped. Pulled over. Oh, I don't want to be that car.